I guess I have to face the footwear eventually. Hello, freaks. Welcome back to Stylin. Look what Jaime's gonna have me wear today. My brain immediately thinks like Downton Abbey, but I think it's just the cloche. Anyway, apparently Jaime made this hair bow into like a giant bow belt, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to recreate that. And then I don't understand the footwear at all. We're doing jellies with this, with like sheer striped socks. So that's gonna be odd, but we'll see what it looks like. I like that Jaime got creative with the hat, but like this red flower is really overshadowing everything else. This necklace doesn't really match. It's purple, but it's not that purple. So it kind of just blends into the top, but for whatever reason, the back of it keeps like trying to come down like inside the collar, and that's really annoying. So I don't know why it's doing that, if that's just this necklace or this is pretty flimsy fabric, so maybe it's just the top. And then I'm not a beige person, okay? I found this random strap and just put the original bow on it because I don't know, I don't have anything to make a giant bow with that's beige, which looks especially silly, but I like it. And yeah, the footwear, I feel like I would have to just completely change it in order to make it better. So I'm just not going to worry about that right now. Let's start with this clearly out of place Velcro strap that probably just came on something and I kept it for some reason. This top really is perfect with this though. Here, I just want to show off the base look. I never wear this top and I thought I would wear it a lot because I love subtle patterns, but maybe I just wasn't thinking to do this with it. I don't know. Maybe I need to do more floral mixing. Anyway, let's try the blazer again because it comes with its own belt, so maybe we can just use that. Normally I wouldn't tie this in a bow, but that's what we're doing. Okay, let's take off some of this stuff that's not working, like this red flower and the necklace. I have a different necklace I could try, but I don't know that it's going to behave any better. Actually, I don't like this necklace as much. It's just kind of distracting. The other one blended in better. Maybe we just don't need a necklace. I guess I have to face the footwear eventually. Might as well do that now. One problem with this outfit is that, like, from the skirt up, it's so vintage as to be, like, costumey. Like, I don't think I could just wear this out and not feel ridiculous. So the footwear is a place where we could modernize it, but maybe not like Jellies modern. I don't even know what to do though. Let me go look at my hosiery collection and try to get inspired. Ooh, these silver shoes might be a good upgrade to the Jellies, but I thought these tights were going to be the same color as the hat and the bag. I think they could work with the bag since it's velvet and kind of reflects the light, but they're way too purple for the hat and kind of don't look great with the skirt anyway. Now that I'm looking at this with the shoes, since the silver kind of goes with the top, maybe we could do some kind of gray tights or socks. Alright, we've been doing a lot of sheer socks lately for some reason, but I like these gray cat ones with this. I know we just wore these like 2 episodes ago. They go with the shoes. They kind of keep Jaime's original vibe in mind of fun socks, and I can be kind of a cat lady again, so that's fun. I think we'll keep that. And then since we got rid of the necklace, I added this ring. Obviously don't paint your nails like the galaxy with this, but sorry, that's from Halloween. Um, this doesn't help modernize it either, but we just needed some jewelry. I mean, I like this because I like costumes, but the idea was to make it more wearable, and I just still think this is too costume-ish for it to be actually wearable. Okay, so the footwear's not the problem anymore. The skirt, to be fair, is a midi length, like it's not all the way to the floor or the ankle, so that helps a little bit. I wonder if we should use an even shorter skirt. Really the problem, like the problem's not the skirt or the blazer, the problem is the style of the top and the hat. But those are also kind of core pieces of the look. I don't know how much I can change it without just like creating a completely different look, you know? Well, maybe I try my black hat. Yeah, I don't think that helped. It's like it's not any one item, it's just the combination. I really don't want to try a different top because I like the top with this. If we lose the blazer, I feel like that only makes it worse. I kind of want to try a different skirt, but the skirt's not even the problem. So that doesn't make sense, but I don't know. Maybe it'll help me get unstuck somehow. Okay, well, this does feel fresher somehow, Even though this skirt is actually vintage and the other one is not, it feels more inspiring. I feel like what it needs is like a short, like a cropped jacket. Let me see if I can find something else. Oh my gosh, it's so cute without the jacket though, but we can't walk around like this. Oh yeah, that helped a lot. I like that we're covering the puff sleeve with another puff sleeve. Okay, let's try the black hat again. Yeah, now I think it is better and makes more sense with this. I don't think we should really attempt the hat flowers this time though. It's just not the same. Okay, just for fun, I wanted to try this cropped sweater. It's kind of cute, but kind of weird, and we're just kind of going backwards. So I'm gonna go back to the jacket. Okay, I was taking this off and it made like a shape. I think that actually looks really cool, but maybe for like a different look some other time. Okay, here we are again. Now I feel like we should have black shoes with the gray socks, kind of like the black jacket with the gray top. But I don't think I have any black flats like this. I do have black cats. Should I try that? I don't know. Is it better? I don't think it is. I think we have to do black shoe, gray sock to have two colors. It just looks not right somehow. So I'll just keep it as it was. I guess I should stop messing with it. I just feel like we got rid of all the fun things. Like we got rid of the giant bow, we got rid of too many colorful flowers. Now I feel like this ring doesn't really go with this either. I thought maybe we could do this simple necklace instead, but I don't know. I feel like it's still too much. I guess this is it. I'm kind of sad. I liked the vintage one better than this one. Should I just go back to the costume? Oh, the more vintage look was just so cute. I guess this isn't that bad. I just feel like I can do better. Well, I managed to tie the tie from the blazer into this sort of half bow, since it doesn't really tie very well into a bow. But that's all I added. I feel like we need one more reddish pink thing, since we changed the hat to black, but I don't know. This is all I could come up with what I have. So I guess this is my look, and I would wear this to go start an orphanage for kittens. Tell me what you think of this look in the comments and who you think won, regular me or Jaime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back next week for this look with the same top and blazer, but styled quite differently.